All right, welcome to lesson 3.2.2. Please excuse the split screen because we're going to be using Desmos as well. So I just kind of have Desmos open on the side already. But let's get started with the first problem in our activity. Okay, let me first read the instructions before I zoom in so that we can actually read the question. The instructions say, use the intersection feature of your graphing calculator to answer each question. So I'm going to zoom in to number 1. It says for the function f of x is equal to -2 to the power of x minus 1, determine the value for which f of x is equal to -256. So I'm going to open up the graphing calculator by clicking that middle button on Desmos, and I'm going to type that equation in. So -2, well, -2 to the power of x minus 1, oops, well, Desmos doesn't like me typing there, so I'm going to go ahead and type it like this, x minus 1, and then delete that. Okay, there we go. -2 to the power of x minus 1. And on the second one, I'm going to type -256. Let me just type properly. There we go. Okay, so I have in my Desmos both the equations. And so all I have to do is scroll down. Well, -256 is pretty low, okay? So I'm going to zoom out a little bit so that we can see. I just want to make sure I see both lines. Oh, sorry. For this one, I want you to actually type y equals, okay? Type that line. All right, now you can see this blue line over here. So if we want to determine the intersection, click on it and it will tell you. So we want to determine the value of x for which f of x is equal to -256. So in that point that they gave us, what is our x value? Well, the point is 9, 256. It's always x, comma, y. So the x value is first. So then our x is equal to 9. Done. All right, let's have you guys try number 2 on your own. So for the function f of x, that should be equal to 3 to the power of x minus 1. Determine the value of x for which f of x is equal to 81. So I'll have you guys try it out and then we'll see what you did. Pause the video. Okay, so now that we're unpaused, let's double check by having me type in the same stuff and seeing if you got the exact same answer. So we have 3 to the power of x minus 1 as our first equation, and then the second one, y is equal to 81. And I'm going to scroll up. Okay, there's the intersection of my two graphs. I click on it, you should have gotten x is equal to 5. If you have any questions, please let me know. Other than that, you guys are supposed to do 6 problems on your own, and they're over here. So you just need to graph it on your own and write the x value. That is it. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, I'll see you next time.